Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. Yesterday we did that hive inspection and found that we were queenless in our hive. And after getting back home last night and talking to my bee mentor, he thought that we should go ahead and try to locate a new queen for our hive. And so I scrambled around last night. I was able to find someone that had a queen that I could come get today. And so now I'm gonna travel about an hour and a half from me. So not super far, but it's not too bad. So we're gonna drive out, meet this lady, and pick up a queen so that we can put a new queen into our hive today. So you guys are coming with us like usual. Let's go. Made it down and picked up our new queen today from Bee Co. Great company, great farm. They had really neat setup down there, and they really helped me out today by getting me a new queen, a mated queen. She's marked. I'm going to show you guys what she looks like in just a second, but I'm going to show you how we install a new queen into a hive. My mentor's on his way over, and we're gonna get suited up and we're gonna go down to the hive. We're probably gonna have to remove a couple of those queen cells that I found yesterday, but we'll get that all squared away, and we'll get the hive back the way it needs to be. So let's get down there and we'll take care of it. But first, let me show you this queen. So here she is, guys. You can see she's got the little white dot on her. It's hard to see. Get this to focus, but she's right there in the center. She's got 5 or 6 attendants with her, and we're gonna put this whole thing inside the hive. This white stuff down here at the bottom is like sugar candy, and once they eat through that, they'll be able to escape down here. It'll take them a few days, and that will make it perfect. She'll put her scent into the hive, and by the time they eat through that, they'll accept her and we'll have a new queen. We've already taken the hive apart, and so now we're just going through this very bottom brood box and checking for any queen cells, removing any queen cells that we find, and just getting ready to place the little box with the queen right into the middle of this brood box. So the queen box has this small metal clip attached to it at the top that you can bend, and so we're just using that clip to hook the queen box over the top of one of the frames, and that's going to hold it in place, and then we're going to kind of squish all the frames together to hold that exactly where it needs to be. They can chew through the bottom, that sugar through the bottom of that queen box, and eventually she will be able to emerge from the bottom there. So it looks like it's in a great position, and we're good to go. I guess you feel like we're doing the right thing because you're proceeding.
Well,
So what happens if we put this in and there is a queen?
They will see each other and one of them will kill the other one.
So it won't be like a swarm situation. This will be like they're going to fight to the death.
A death match. One of them will die.
Okay. Well, I can live with that.
And there's also been a situation where they accept both queens.
Do we want to squeeze this one in?
Well, let's see if we can get it in.
So we can probably tighten this up a little bit.
Yeah, get this side to move a little bit. Okay. Okay, we got it in there.
All right.
Okay, so let's get this on.
I just wanted to do a little follow-up to our queen installation that we did this afternoon. We think it went really well. I hope that the queen will be accepted over the coming days. She's gonna just kind of wait out in that little cage for 3-5 days, somewhere in between there. If she's not out at the 5-day mark, we will release her ourselves. We'll just kind of release the cork that's in there, but she should be out by then, and hopefully her scent has been released enough that the hive has accepted her and she can start laying eggs, and we'll start having some new brood in the coming weeks, so that our life cycle isn't completely broken down, and we'll be able to continue with our hive. So you guys follow along with us and see how it goes. I'll definitely be following up on our hive every single week, and I'll be posting videos about that. So come along with us. We hope to see you soon at Row & Co Farms. Bye.